Hello everybody, welcome to Schmitty's Adventure, and here is our next adventure. So here in New Jersey, we're dealing with the blizzard of 2022. Oh my god, it is like 2 o'clock in the afternoon on January 29th. Says it's 17 degrees out, but with the wind, it's a feel like temperature of 2. It is ridiculously cold out here. Let me switch you around and we could show what's going on the other way. Alrighty guys, here is what the blizzard of 2022 is doing. Just going to take a little bit of a walk around the area here and show you what's going on. Don't mind the snowblower behind us, because that's what's cleaning out my house. Oh, this is so crazy. You know, way back when I told you I was going to Florida last year, God, do I wish I was there right now. This is insane. Look at this. I can't tell you how much snow we have because it's been blowing so much. I would say probably 8 to 10 inches maybe. Maybe more. I don't know. But let me tell you, they got the roads pretty good considering all the snow that we've been having. I have no idea what that weird noise is. Some people have shoveled, some people have not. I don't blame them for not even coming out here. And of course my gimbal died right before I was coming out here. So sorry about that, guys. Sorry if it's a little shaky. I'm really freezing. Just gonna give you a little taste of what's going on here. Everybody has the fun of digging out their cars. We're gonna have that fun too. And it is still snowing. They said it's gonna snow till about 5 o'clock today. Gosh, I don't think it's snowing anything nearly as what it was doing earlier. And you can see up the block here. Down the block. We don't live far off of Route 3. If anybody knows New Jersey, that is that block all the way down there. It's a major highway. And honestly, I don't think anybody is up there. There's somebody. Very few people compared to what it normally is like. And that's another main street right up that way. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to give you a little cute video of this horrible snow. Some people are gonna love it. I sure don't love it. That's alrighty guys, sorry about that. So just want to say welcome to the snowy land of New Jersey. This is Schmitty's Adventure. This is Lynn saying bye. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your comments. Bye now.